Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about where to buy industrial welding machines in Nigeria, and how to choose trusted suppliers for quality and durability. Genuine welding machines can be hard to find due to the flood of substandard products. Buying from authorized dealers is essential to ensure durability, warranty, and spare parts availability. Top recommended supplier, GZ Industrial Supplies. GZ is one of Nigeria's most trusted engineering equipment distributors, offering 100% genuine industrial-grade welding machines, nationwide delivery, technical support and installation guidance, welding accessories, electrodes, consumables, and PPE. Multi-branch availability: Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, Warri, Calabar, Kano, Ibadan. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.